Hey everyone, this is Meenal and today we are going to look into MakeSpiral Tool. So you'll see what MakeSpiral Tool is and how it is used. But before that, I'll just give a brief introduction what MakeSpiral Tool is. So this tool basically helps you to create spirals with any size you specify. So to be concise, it is used to make your work easier because in Maya, if you go to curves and surfaces, there are knobs which are used to create the spiral, but then it is very tedious work to do that manually. So instead of that, we'll use Make Spiral tool to make it a bit easier. Yeah. So now we'll just go ahead and click on the script editor button and it will show up the script editor window. So here is the script editor window. So there are two methods for getting the script into script editor. That is, one, you have to copy paste your whole script into the script editor, and second is to create a new shelf button. So if you create a new shelf button, you have to click on that button and just give your tool a name, or just like MakeSpiral or MKSP, just like that. Then go ahead and click on OK and it will create a shelf button for you that is kind of a shortcut for this tool, right? So now we'll just go ahead and just click on the play button, which you can see. It's a blue button which will execute your script, and when you click on it, it will show up the spiral curve window. So just click on it, and there we have a spiral curve window. So we'll just send it back our script editor and just focus on spiral curve window. So here are the number of parameters which are used in spiral, like in creating the spiral, and then this is big create button which will create your spiral here. So right now I'll just explain what each parameter does. So first we'll see how the number of span works, and you can change the values by slider or just inputting the value in the box. So yeah, so number of span is which is like it indicates how much space will be present between each curve, and then radius is the radius of each curve, or how big each curve will be. And then we have ring distance. So ring distance is how much distance each curve will have. And go ahead and edit your name, like edit the spiral name or curve name inside it. And the gradient amount is a feature in which it will decide how much smooth the curve should be. So I guess I'll put it like this and click on create button. So if you take a closer look on this curve, we should see that the number of span, which is the distance between each curve, and then this is the distance between each curve, and then we have radius of each curve. And then we have ring distance, which is the distance each curve will have, like how much distance each curve will have, and we pretty much will play with the gradient amount later on. So go ahead and delete this curve so that we can see how gradient amount works. So if you change the gradient amount to positive and just max out a bit all the parameters, I'll probably change the name of this, I guess. And then, no, I won't. Okay, so when you hit create, it will create a curve which is out of focus right now, but we'll just zoom out and see how big that curve is. That is just because the gradient amount is changed to positive, and it will just make it a bit, I guess, not smoother, but bit curvier. And if we go ahead and decrease the gradient amount to negative, so you can see that because it is in positive, it created a less smoother curve. But if we decrease it, if you decrease the gradient amount to negative, it will barely create any curve. So this one you can see is not a curve, but it is so smooth that it has created a line and not a spiral. So we'll just go ahead and delete it, and that's it. This is what the MakeSpiral tool is, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.